loves me just so. Nothing ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride, 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 ride me.
What's up, you guys? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my go-to hair for brunch. You guys know I'm such a brunch girl. A lot during the summer, but like I know it's getting colder now, but I still go. And I love going during the weekday because no one is there, okay? You can do your Sunday brunches if you want, but find a place near you that does like full week brunches, everyday brunch. Jess and I love going to Taste on Melrose, so if you live in the LA area and you haven't been to Taste, I'll see you there, alright? So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this hair for that look. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you guys, I feel like I have made it in life if I got a rose box, okay? These are not from Lee, they're just for me. Shout out to RoseForever. They are a newer rose company in New York. They're based in New York. You guys have seen flower boxes, rose boxes, the circles, the squares, all over Instagram, and I've always wanted one. They are so expensive. I've looked into it and I'm like, $500? You know what you could buy with $500 that's not a box of roses? You know what I'm saying? Some people have the money to just do that. Go ahead. I don't. Thankfully, RoseForever is more on the affordable side, so I did get a small box of the white rose. They have so many different colors. These roses last at least a year. Hello? So I've got the links below if you guys want to check them out. Like I said, they've got 500 different colors for you to choose from. I chose the white, which looks so pretty, and it's just so sleek, and it's everything I wanted. But without any further ado, let's get into this hair tutorial. Today's unit is from RiRiHair. You guys know this is one of my all-time favorite brands because the hair always looks perfect coming out of the box. This is what the unit looks like. It is 20 inches, a natural color, 150% density. I do have a medium cap size, and as you can see up close, the lace is already bleached. All their units come with bleach knots, which look really, really good and really natural on your head. So inside the cap, you do get your 3 combs. I actually cut the bottom one out just because I don't like it sticking on my little low bun that I do. So I just have 2 combs going in today. And as you can see right here, you can add the elastic band if you want. So I just went ahead and moved the adjustable straps to the furthest little hook. That way it's still secure, but it's not gonna give me a headache by the end of the day. So I went ahead and flipped that on. I am just lining up the middle part with the natural part that I already have. And as you can see, that looks really natural. I haven't glued it down. We're not gonna glue it down. We're not using any type of adhesive to use this wig on my head. So I think it looks really good right out of the box, but we do need to do a little bit of styling. Another thing I love about this unit is that the hair by the parting is not dense at all. So that way the hair can lay really flat. And I always think that looks more natural because some wigs just like, they're too thick up top and then you can tell when you part it, it's just like not hitting like it should. So I like that it's very flat up top. As you can see when I look up right here, it just makes it look a lot more natural. So let's go in and style the hair. This is the 32mm barrel. I don't use this one often, but I do like the beachy waves that you can kind of achieve with this. I also have it turned all the way up. I think it's like 420, 430, because I like doing this quickly. You know, we are going to go back into the hair afterwards and touch up the curls, but this is just to get the base curls down. So I start with the bottom section of the hair first. Take a fairly small medium width of hair, and that's what I'm using to curl the hair around the wand, and we're just doing that all over the hair. So this method is very repetitive. I'm not doing anything different, but I will say the only difference really is that when you get to the other side of your head, you're gonna have to rotate the wand a little bit just so that the curls can flow correctly, if that makes sense. You don't want one side curling in and one side curling out. So to have them both curling out, you're gonna have to switch the way you are holding the curling wand. So as you can see, I do have the left side of my head done, and I'm just gonna do the right side off camera just because you guys saw the process. You do the same thing. All right, girls, so all the hair is curled. And next I'm gonna go in with my IGK Beach Club Volumizing Spray. This is a texturizing spray. And like I said, at the end, I am gonna touch up the curls once more. So this is just kind of to give it that body. So I'm just spraying a little bit of that. I'm also gonna go ahead and lay down the flyaways. So I'm just using Lovely Bee's Edge Control. Shout out to Brianna. And I'm just gonna lay down the few flyaways that this unit has. Surprisingly, it doesn't have a ton, which is great. We love that. So go ahead and lay those down with the little 2-ended comb brush thing that they throw into the box. tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I've got all of RiRiHair links in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Join the family. We got a lot of Halloween stuff coming up, okay? On Instagram and here on YouTube. And I'm stressed a little bit about it, but I'm super excited at the same time. And I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.